Alright guys, we're back out here today. This is day number 3 of cutting hay on the first cutting this year on this field to my left and also on the field up there across the creek. I went ahead and started without you this morning, started making my windrows, and everything's drying out pretty good. We should be good today as far as getting everything baled up. Now normally I wait till about 1 o'clock before I start my windrows out here. I let the dew get dried off. But I tell you what guys, it is super hot today, and it was like 90 degrees at 10 o'clock this morning. So I went ahead and started this morning without you. And everything's going pretty good. It's nice and thick on this field. I did fertilize this field also. I did 300 pounds of triple 19 per acre. This is probably about 3 or 4 acres right here. Probably have to make about maybe 5 more passes and we'll be done right here. And while this is drying, we'll move up there to the hill and start doing it. And as far as what I'm using to do this is my New Holland hay rake. It's a 256 model and it looks awful. It needs a paint job. It has brand new wheels on it though, but it looks terrible. It looks like yard art as far as that goes. But I tell you what guys, works every time. And if I had to do it all over again, I'd buy this again. I got this off Marketplace about a year ago for $800. Love this attachment, works really good. I'm thinking maybe this winter it'd be a good project to take this up to the shop and do a full restoration on it, or at least put some paint on it. It's rusted something awful, but this thing works really good. And I think New Holland actually still makes these, and some of them are PTO driven. This one is ground driven. And the PTO driven one would probably be a little bit nicer because you could disengage it on your turns. This one here, to engage it and disengage it from working, has a lever. And that right there gets it going and that cuts it off. And this rope is kind of broke here and you can't go both directions from the cab. So what I do is, I got this little reacher right here. And I use that to reach back here and grab it to engage it and disengage it. Works pretty good. So the time is right now 12 o'clock, and hopefully by 1:30 or 2 we'll be making round bales out here. You guys hang in there. Alright guys, got that field ready for the baler. It was still pretty wet down in there. I was going to bale it as soon as I did my windrows, but some of that hay is still kind of wet. So let's give that some time to dry and we'll head up here on the hill and do the cattle lot and get that knocked out. I've only got about 3, maybe 4 acres up there to do windrows on. Shouldn't take too long. And hopefully that will buy us some time for this to dry out just a little bit more. Pretty wet over there, wetter than I like it.